Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to read text from the keyboard. So there are a couple of things that we need to do in order to do this. The first thing we need to do is to import a module. So this is going to be the first time that we're going to import a module in Java. So the module or the namespace that we're going to import is called. So the first thing you guys need to do to import a module is to type import, and the module or namespace is java.o2.scanner. Okay, so we're gonna import this class. There are other ways of doing this, but this is the most used way, the more common way of doing this. So now that we have this object, we can create the scanner object here. Scanner sc equals new scanner, and as a parameter we pass system.m. Okay, so this is how we can read text from the keyboard. Just a couple of things that we need to do in order to read our first string. First, let's just print some text here. Let's print here, let's say enter a name. Enter a name. So, and now we're going to create a string here, which is going to be equal string name equals sc.next line, as you guys can see right here. So we saw strings in the last video. So this is a string, this returns a string. Okay, let's now print out the input. Let's do print ln you've typed, and then let's concatenate this with the plus sign here. So this is all we need to do in order to follow this tutorial. For now, let's just execute, and we should see here enter a name. Let's say test, and you guys can see that you've typed test right here. So the basics here is that we are using a couple of things here you guys haven't seen before. We are importing a module or namespace in Java from the standard library. There are much more modules that you guys can use to do specific functions, and we're gonna talk about them later on. Here we are creating an instance of an object. So an instance basically means that we are creating a new object. We can create as many as we want. So in this case, I'm just creating one object. We are giving some information to the user, how he or she should put the info here. In this line, we are reading. Actually, we are creating a string and reading by doing this assignment. This equals to assignment. And finally, we are printing this into the console again by concatenating this string with the input using the plus sign. Okay, so this was the video, guys. Hope you enjoy. See you guys next time.